अस्सलाम वालेकुम डेयर। आज हम क्लास 11 बायोलॉजी न्यू बुक उसके चैप्टर 4 बायोमॉलिक्यूल्स एंड मॉलिक्यूलर बायोलॉजी की एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करेंगे। फर्स्ट MCQs इज विच कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ द यूनिक प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ वाटर। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज स्मॉल इन साइज, सेकंड ऑप्शन इज हेल्ड टुगेदर बाय कोवलेंट बॉन्ड, third option is can easily separate from one another, and fourth option is stick together. There water molecule stick together due to hydrogen bonding, which gives water its high surface tension, high boiling point and other unique properties. So the exact answer is stick together. Next is to which group of lipids the human sex hormone belongs? Steroid, vaccines, prostaglandins or phospholipids. There human sex hormones like testosterone and estrogen are steroid molecules, a type of lipids. So the exact answer is steroid. Next is which of the following is not a protein? Hemoglobin, cholesterol, pepsin or antibody. There cholesterol is a lipid, not a protein. The other three, hemoglobin, pepsin and antibodies, are all protein. So the exact answer is cholesterol. Next is which one is the largest carbohydrate? Cellulose, ribose, glyceraldehyde or glucose. Cellulose is a polysaccharide made of thousands of glucose units, making it much larger than monosaccharides or disaccharides. So the exact answer is cellulose. Next is what compound would be manufactured difficultly when soil has shortage of phosphorus? DNA, fatty acid, proteins or cellulose. There DNA contains a backbone made of phosphate group. So a lack of phosphorus will directly affect DNA production. So the exact answer is DNA. Next is a compound whose chemical composition is most closely related to maltose is starch, protein, ATP or RNA. There maltose is a disaccharide made of 2 glucose units and starch is a polysaccharide made of many glucose units. Both share the same basic composition. So starch is the exact answer. Next is which group is found in an fatty acid? PO4, SO4, CN or C double bond OOH. There all fatty acids have a carboxylic group at one end of their molecule. So the exact answer is C double bond OOH. Next is hemoglobin has primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure or quaternary structure. Hemoglobin is made of 4 polypeptide chains working together, which is the quaternary level of protein structure. So the exact answer is quaternary structure. Next is which process produces peptide bond? Digestion, dehydration synthesis, hydrolysis or enzymes deactivation. Peptide bonds are formed when 2 amino acids join by removing a water molecule, a dehydration process, condensation reactions. So the exact answer is dehydration synthesis. देर ये थे क्लास 11 बायोलॉजी के चैप्टर 4 बायोमॉलिक्यूल्स की एक्सरसाइज के MCQs। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम इंशाल्लाह इसके शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।